Okay, welcome back guys to Nerbeats Gaming. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to manually update our NBA 2K25 to NBA 2K26 roster. So first, of course, make sure you are connected to the internet. Okay, so first we need to go to features and then create roster. Click NBA Modern and then go to user created roster. And then wait for it and then there. Actually, all of this mod, you can load it in your NBA 2K25, but we're looking for NBA 2K26 roster. So just look for NBA 2K26 roster. Okay, here, updated 26 roster. So click. And then this roster creator simple view will appear. So if you check it, you will see Ayton is already there. And then, for example, also Cooper Flag. But this one is just a mod. And for example, Rockets there. Kevin Durant. So to save this, you need to press B and then save roster. And then just overwrite or make a new file. So let's try new file. So let's just put 2K26. There and then done. Yes. Yes. Okay, so to apply the roster, so you need to go back to play now or you can apply it also in season. So for example, let's go to play now. Quick play. So you can see the roster is not updated. So to apply the roster, click the L3 button. This one, click the analog, left analog. And then go to user created roster. And then go to my files. This one that we made earlier, 2K26 roster. So just click it. There. Let's go to Lakers for example. There's Ayton and for example in Dallas there. There's also Cooper Flag and then D'Lo for point guard. So for example, you want to apply the NBA 2K26 roster in season. So just go to my NBA eras, my NBA, and then create a new file. And then click the modern era. And then click A on setup options and then advance. Continue. And then there, you can load the NBA 2K26 roster. Just click user created roster. Go to my files. The NBA 2K26 roster we made earlier. And then choose 2K26. And then advance. Advance. There. The NBA 2K26 roster is already loaded so you can play it on Play Now or in Season. That's it guys. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.